Where are my caramel skin queen? Where are my dark skin tone ladies? That brown skin, that beautiful brown skin ladies. I have a product for you. Hi guys, my name is Flawlessly. If today is the first day you are seeing my face, I say welcome to my channel. Yes, on today's review, I want to talk about a cream, a lotion that will make my brown skin queen skin glow. I mean glow. Yes, please get this cream for me. This is Lily's cream. You're seeing this cream. This cream is good. Very good. It will not bleach your skin. No. It will not give you 10 shade lighter. No. But it will amplify your skin tone. It will maintain your skin tone. Get this lotion for me if you want to glow your skin. If you want to amplify your skin tone, not bleach your skin tone. Get this and get Farmaden tube. Why I say get Farmaden tube is this. For it to calm down any reaction that comes with any product. Like chicken, there's some skin that have this chicken, what is it called? That thing that pops out like chicken body on their skin. What is it called? Strawberry skin that comes out like chicken, this thing. I know some cream gives that reaction. That is why I always talk about get in any cream you're using, get an anti-reaction cream. Okay, take some of this, add your anti-reaction tube to this, then get olive oil. I did not come with my olive oil here. Get olive oil. Add little olive oil to this. Get any beautiful glowing oil, any oil, like dodo oil. You can add dodo oil to this. You can even add carrot oil to it. You can add bao oil, argan oil, any good oil. Add it to this and mix it, okay? Then add little shea butter to this mix for my caramel skin. Mix it thoroughly. Use it and let your skin shine. Use it. Your skin will shine. Your skin will not look that dull. I am telling you. Pair it with nano soap, okay? Or any soap. You will love the feedback. I don't know if this video is helpful. If it is, give this video a thumbs up. I think I deserve a thumbs up. My caramel queen. Like, share, subscribe. Drop your nice comment, ask questions, and also don't forget turn on your notification bell so that you will see a video like this when I drop them. I wish you a brown skin, a caramel skin, a glowing day. See you in my next video. Bye.